Hello everyone, I'm Shannon Kelly, Social Media Manager at the Toronto Real Estate Board.
And I'm Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board Senior Manager of Market Analysis.
Now Jason, when I was going through the Market Watch, it really did seem as though the rebound that we saw in home sales that occurred in the summer really did sustain into October. Could you break that down for us?
Well, year-over-year growth in Toronto MLS sales did indeed remain strong. We saw Toronto Real Estate Board members report 8,000 sales through the Toronto MLS system, and that was up substantially from about 6,700 sales in October 2012.
Wow, Jason, that really is a large increase. Now, can you give us a sense as to why we've seen such a strong rebound in sales and if you think that's going to continue?
Well, the annual increase in sales that we've seen has largely been the result of home buyers who initially put their decision to purchase on hold, moving back into the marketplace as they determined that home ownership in the GTA still remains affordable. And this is despite those stricter lending guidelines and an increase in borrowing costs that we've seen over the last few months. And so looking forward, if we look at calendar year 2013, we're expecting sales to be a little bit higher than what we saw in calendar year 2012. And certainly as we move into 2014, we are expecting a moderate increase as well in sales on a year-over-year basis, probably up to about 89 to 90,000 next year.
So Jason, sales are still up, but what I'm gathering from the Market Watch is that we're still having an issue with listings. So how has that affected price growth?
Well, that's right. We're still seeing constrained listings, especially on the low-rise side of the market, so single-detached, semi-detached, and townhomes. And so buyers of these types are still facing a lot of competition. And so as a result, we're seeing still strong upward pressure on the average selling price in the Greater Toronto Area. And so in October, we saw a year-over-year price increase of more than 7%, up to about $539,000. And so looking forward through the end of this year, we're certainly going to see prices up quite substantially over what we saw in 2012, and again in 2014, above inflation increases moving forward as well.
Great, Jason. Now, on November 11th, we will be taking a moment to honor our veterans and remember them. We hope that you do as well. You can also connect with us on Twitter at TREB Home as well as on Facebook. And from both of us, have a great month.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.